Hey everyone, welcome back to the Peterson Bronco. Today I'm going to be taking my rock sliders off. I have to cut them back a little because my 37s, well, they rub. So ever since I put the wheel spacer on. But yeah, so I'll be showing you how to drop those off and what I'm doing. Ever since I put the wheel spacer on, occasionally the wheel will rub just at the tip of the rock slider. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the rock sliders off, dropping them down, take this end cap out, put it on my chop saw, cut it down, put the end cap back in, and reinstall. So taking them down is really a 13 mil, a few bolts, some nuts. It's actually pretty quick and easy to drop them down. So I'll do that. 3 bolts and 6 nuts later, the rock slider is down. So what I'm gonna do is use a Torx, take that screw out, see what we have under here, pop this cap, and then look at cutting it back. A T25 Torx bit, got the screw out, a little Christmas tree plug in the other end, and here's the end cap off of the rock slider. So I want to mark it, cut it. I'll have to drill some holes for the screw and the little Christmas tree plug to get the end cap back in. But yeah, I'll be able to cut that down. When I measured the other side, it looks like I want to take off about 1 1/8 inches. And luckily for this square, the bottom plate here is 1 1/8 inches wide. So I'm gonna basically line it up on the edge, scribe my marks, be able to line up to do my spacing from the center of my holes, and yeah, move everything 1 1/8 inches. Holes marked and drilled. Now I just have to get it on the chop saw, cut her off. Alright, so because I can't really get a nice flat surface, I don't have a compound chop saw, so I can only get one angle. So I can't really line it up in a way that the other is square. So I have it all marked, and I'm just going to cut it with angle grinder. Alright, so now it's been cut, cap reinstalled, and ready to throw back on. Added a little paint on there, so got a bit shiny now. It's just got to dry, but yeah. So reinstall the slider, do the other side, and that's it. And that's it. Took just over an hour, and yeah, got both rock sliders dropped, chopped, recapped, to a little touch-up paint, remounted. But yeah, so now let's see what happens next for rubbing. What is the next thing that's gonna hit? So yeah, so that's it for today's update on lifting tires and clearance and everything, all the rubbing and issues and fun. But anyways, hope you like, subscribe, and share. Follow along for anything else that I find and fix. Have a good day.